Hi, my name's Earl Longhurst. I conduct the training for overhead cranes and forklifts and a few other lifting devices for Steelcon. When we realized how much time the training was taking on the floor, I was asked to actually start doubling how much we were training, and then I pointed out that up till we started doing the VR training, I was taking up about 20 to 24 hours a month where I was actually stopping production in an area. And that's when we realized that we had to think of something different. And one of the alternatives was virtual reality training. I did some research, found a company down in Utah that would actually allow me to make VR training scenarios. They showed me all the different scenarios that I could build with it. I thought it would be the best way to do it. Thing is that I had never done this before. I had never even had a VR headset on my head before. So for me, it was also a matter of I had to learn how to use it and learn how to develop our own scenarios. At the age of 60, I never thought I'd be doing this, but it was a challenge. I wanted to make the best program, the most realistic that I could. So the scenarios that I've developed will mimic what we actually do on the floor, giving them scenarios where if something goes wrong, I try to teach them how to deal with that. The training that I received when I first started in the industry 20 years ago, it was, here's the remote, go figure it out. And here in this environment, if they make a mistake, we just reset. I work alongside them, I stand right beside them, I talk to them, I work them through it, and I get them more comfortable with having that remote in their hand. The VR, I think, is going to be the better way to do it. In the scenario, I can use the entire shop within the scenario. And in the scenario, the crane movements, the way the crane moves, the way the crane starts, and then your piece catches up with you, that swing, the sway, I can train that better here than I can out on the floor because I have a longer distance that I can get them to do it. One of the other things that attracted me to them is that they were able to take one of our remotes. They obviously had to pull everything out and they had to design a circuit board for it to simulate exactly what I needed. Because one of the things that I needed from them was the delay. That took them a lot of work as well, but well worth it. It actually works very well and simulates crane movement in here is almost dead on to what is out on the floor. And getting people to understand that, it can be a challenge as well, but we get there. Once I can show them and celebrate when even the small advances, it gets them laughing a little bit, gets them calm, and you gotta show them that you believe that they can do it. It feels good when you can see them calm down. It feels great when you can see the smile on their face when they get it. That smile, when you see them get it, that makes it worth it. That all the stuff that I went through, all the creating the program, the frustration of getting it going and the hurdles and getting over the hurdles and then you see the smile on the face and it's kind of like, yeah, you got it.